welcome to another video of Iftex system G clean. So here I will show you how to use this one. So I have a Skoda Kushaq and this is E10 and E5 compliant. So just to use it for E20 I'll be using this Iftex clean system. So ideally I fill XP 100, but if XP 100 is difficult to get, I fill power petrol and I put this. So I will show you how to use this one. So now I have refueled my car, so I'll just open this. Now I have opened the seal cover. So now what you should do, like for 10 ml, this should be your first first fill. So here, from here you can measure it to 10 ml. This is the 10 ml mark. So now if you press the bottle like this, it's little pressurized, so you need to press and make it to 10 ml mark. Okay, so this, for the first 2 times you need to fill 10 ml, and a liter you need to fill 1 liter 1 ml per liter of petrol. So this is how you have to use it. Nothing to worry like how will it damage my car or will it affect the mileage or all, because I'm using this from last 6 to 8 months and I have not seen any issues so far. Even the smoothness has increased and the mileage is also increased. So I'll just put this and show you how to use this. And in long term review, if you ask me, the engine has got smoother and the mileage has become a little more, like 2 kilometer per liter it has increased. So suppose I was getting 12 and now I am getting 14, so that much difference is there in Bengaluru traffic. And it does support BS3, BS4 and BS6 engines, and it doesn't harm your catalytic converter, and it says like, yeah, it improves the pickup and emission, reduces the emission. So, and also it prevents the engine from rusting. So one of the major issues, I thought the rusting will be there from E20 Petrol. So one of the reasons I started using it. So this is the mark, you can see 10 ml mark. So I'll just put it, and later I'll make a detailed video of this. So thanks for watching. Thank you. I have taken 10 ml here and directly putting it to fuel tank. That's it.